guys. Hi guys, this is Sammy and I'm doing another review like I promised every Saturday. Yeah. And like the last video, I had said that I was going to try this cute game literally called Cat Game. So, the reason why I'm trying this because I have way too much cats. So I figure why not play a little. I guess I don't know what to expect out of this game. I don't know if I like take care of the cats. I'm not sure. So as you can see in front of me, a cute little picture of a bunch of cats, different kind of cats. There looks like a cookie cat, regular cat, a prince cat, I'm guessing, and then all like other ones on the top, a unicorn and all. That's so cute. So I'm going to just try it and let's see. This is the first time I'm playing this game, so yeah. I clicked on that. Okay, it's news. Okay, I clicked on the news. Clicked on that. Basically, it's help. Looks like something with billing, so maybe this game kind of charges you. Or you could buy like little stuff. Maybe that way. Okay. Oh, hi. You must be the new owner of Cat Tower. I am Mr. Lollipop. Your cat game guide. What's your name? Okay. My name will be Sam. Like I do every game. Sam. Choose. Username taken. Okay. Sam Rose. Let's see. Sam Rose. Guess there's other people that have that. Wow. Okay, let's see. Sammy Rose. Oh my god. Let's see. Okay. Sammy Rose. 1990. Oh my gosh, good. Okay, let's go to your new home. But first, these three kitties are looking for a home. Let's choose one to take with us. Choose your cat. Oh my god. Which one should I choose? They're all cute. Oh my god, all three of them are cute. Okay, so I might just choose this cute little gray, I guess a little chubby one over here. That one's my favorite. Hi there. I'd like to order some donut, please. One donut, please. Smudge, this isn't a shop. This is your new owner. Aw. Hi. I'd still like to order a donut. Me. Me. Smudge. They don't have any donuts. Oh, no worries. I just take a... This cat is me! Oh my god, and that's what his name is Smudge. That's so cute. Not anymore. I'll call him Banks, because that's the name of my cat. Banks. Wow, thanks. Are you taking me to the hamburgers now? Oh my god. Here we are. Boy, this really worked up my appetite. I'm starving. You don't have any food, do you? Let's feed your cat. Oh my god. That's so cute. This looks like you take care of it. Okay. Okay. Feeding your cat fills up the heart meter. Okay. Awesome. Okay, feed you one more time. Okay. Your cat is full. Ready to deliver. That was delicious. kind of lonely here though. Can we adopt someone for me to play with? What about me? Okay, new. Oh, you could do like another cat, huh? This is what we might get in the basket. Deliver another kitten? We have a chance of getting a new cat. Deliver. Ooh. Oh my god, this is my game. Because I keep on getting cats. Oh, the basket has finished. Woohoo! Let's find out what we got. I hope it's a cat for me to play with. Oh, that is just so cute. These are all the rewards you might get. Spin. Okay. There's a little lag right there. Ooh. Ooh, I got a tabby. Oh, I have a tabby and I might not know what to name it. Okay, continue. Can I name it? Meow. Guys, I'm starving here. I haven't eaten in 10 minutes. Do you have wet food? I love that stuff. Oh my god. Crave food gives 2 times the number of hearts. Cool. Oh, this is cute. Okay. So you just keep on collecting cats? Oh my god. You want to be fed again? Basket finished. Oh. Oops. Notification. I guess you buy the food. Okay, so the levels are on top. Level, and I'm guessing coins and diamond coins. There's like a difference, I guess. Oh, right. So I'm buying some more pet food. What should I buy? I should buy 10, right? Because I have 2 cats. Yeah. Wet food. I'll buy. I don't have enough, so I'll buy. I guess I'll just spend the rest of it. And see, get coins to get more coins. I guess you have. Okay, looks like I got 300 of those little like blue diamond cat things. So should I just get coin pile? I'll just get 50. Okay. Cool. So I guess with the blue, you purchase the yellow coins with the blue gems. Okay, blue gems you purchase with real money, and then you purchase the coins with the blue gems. Okay, makes perfect sense. All right. Exit out that. So that's what you spend real money on. Okay. Exit out. Okay, I think my cat's got enough food. Oh, Tay, so you want that wet food, but I thought I already bought wet food. Let's see. I gotta buy 100. I thought I just bought 100 of those. I do own 60. Okay. Already delivering. What does that mean? I do want to change the name though. I'm gonna change to Ginger. Because that's the name of my cat. My tabby cat. Okay. Already delivered. So it looks like you just keep on collecting cats and feeding them. It's kind of like taking care of your pets. Like, I guess, a Tamagotchi, if you ever heard of a Tamagotchi from like the 90s. But this is like virtual reality, and you can get like more cats. You can fill basically this whole yard with cats. And it'll be fine. Oh man, we got logs. That's boring. I wanted another friend. Don't worry, we can use them later. Let's try to adopt a cat again. Oh, you want to adopt? Really? Okay. Oh, here you go. Yum, 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 yum. All right. So, just keep on delivering. Okay. Hopefully I got a cat. Another cat. I do. Oh my god, like, is this like crazy? I got a cat that looks just like that one too. That's it. That's crazy. Welcome to the party, guys. Is it so boring in here? Ever heard of decorating? He's right. If we want more cats to live here, we need to decorate. Okay. I don't think locked. In order to unlock it, we need this window. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Remember, guys, I never play this game, so I'm like over here just like, what? A window finally. Now cats will want to join us for sure. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, Tabby, I just fed you. Tabby's, I thought the other one was a fat butt. Okay. One more cat, okay. And then I should be ending this video pretty soon. Oh my god, all these cats look like my cats. Except that gray one. I don't own a gray one like that. Like a pretty gray. And remember, guys, I have a lot of cats. The main reason why I was decided to play this game is because I got a lot of cats. Okay. First of all, I gotta rename you. I'm gonna name you, let's see, I got a cat just like you. Peanut. I might just keep this game, guys, after I'm done with this video. Which I should be done really soon. Because, yeah, this is going to be a long video if I do all this. Oh, what is that one? Japanese? I don't have one like that. It's cute. Oh, pretty. Okay. Well, then. When I got a Siamese. Me, a Siamese. I might just keep that name. Okay, well, guys, this is the game. I guess you keep on collecting. Oh, Siamese is hungry. That's a hungry cat. And it looks like you got like different levels. So it looks like the more cats you collect, the more levels of your house will be built. And I guess you only could fit about 4. About 4 cats in each floor, I guess. So I'm spinning again for the last time, and then I should be ending this video pretty soon. Yeah, guys, just play this game. It's pretty cute if you like cats like I do, and have many cats like I do. Play this game. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And hopefully you have a great day. Stay tuned for next Saturday. I will be doing another game. Post comments below. Let me know which game you think I should try. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to also hit that bell to, let you know which videos I upload. And also, I do upload makeup videos too in this page. So I do makeup videos, and I also do app reviews, like playing apps. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.